Hey guys, it's Becky and I'm back with another video. So, I'm going to be showing you guys some super easy deals you can do now, or you can wait until Saturday to be done with the 5 off 25. So, make sure you are subscribed and turn your notifications on and keep on. The first deal is on the Powerades. The Powerades are 80 cents a piece. Here's the breakdown. So, Powerades are 80 cents a piece. Buy 3 at 80 cents. It's going to equal to $2.40. There's $1 off digital for $1 off of 3. You're going to clip it and it's going to bring your total down to $1.40 for 3 Powerades. Super easy deal. So $1.40 for 3 Powerades. And they are the 28 fluid ounces. So any Powerades work. Even the Powerades Zero I think works too. So that's the first deal. So the next deal I did was the Tresemme. You can either get the shampoo or conditioners, or you can get 2 shampoos or 2 conditioners, whatever you prefer. So both of these are $5 a piece, and there is a $4 off digital for buying 2, and then there's a promotion on Tresemme that when you buy 2 shampoo or conditioners, you're gonna automatically save $2. And you can get the shampoo and conditioners ranging from $5 to $9. So if you want the bigger bottle, you can get that. But I got these. These are $5 a piece. So the breakdown is right here. You're going to buy 2 for $5 is going to be $10. So $10 minus the $4 off of 2 digital coupon minus the $2 promotion. You're going to end up paying just $4 for both of them, or just $2 each, which is a super good deal on Tresemme. So $2 a piece is not bad, from $5 to $2. Alright, so the last deal is on the Tide Pods Simply. These are the Oxy ones. They are the 13 count. So these are on sale for $2.95. There is a $2 off Tide coupon that you clip, and you just pay 95 cents for the Tide Pods. Super simple deal. If you guys don't want to do any other deal, this is the deal you should do, because it's just 95 cents for a 13 pack. Super easy. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys a deal you can do on Saturday for the 5 off 25. If you don't know what the 5 off 25, it's a digital coupon that you can only use on Saturday. When you spend $25, you save $5 automatically, and it's a digital coupon you can clip. So if you want to do this deal, it's super easy. You're going to be getting the same items, which is the 3 Powerades, the 2 shampoos or conditioners, and the Tide Pods. All you got to do is add 3 Pepsis 12 packs, or 3 Mountain Dew 12 packs, or mix and match. You can get whatever. So the breakdown is right here. Saturday only for 5/23, and it's the 5 off 25. So you're gonna get 3 12 packs of Pepsi. They're $11, and there's a $2 off digital coupon. You're gonna get the Tresemme shampoo or conditioner. 2 of them is going to be $10, and you're going to save $4 off of 2, and then $2 promotion for buying 2 of them, and then 3 Powerades for $2.40 minus the $1 digital coupon. The Tide Pods $2.95, and you save $2 off. So your total is going to be $26.35 minus the 5 off 25 is going to bring your total to $21.35. Minus $11 in digital coupons, your final price is going to be $10.35 plus tax for all these items. So $10.35 for all this. It's not a bad deal. 3 12 packs, Tide Pods, shampoo or conditioner, and then 3 Powerades. So this deal is you can only do this deal on Saturday for the 5 off 25, and it's all digital coupons. All you have to do is clip all the coupons. Make sure you clip all the coupons. Go to the register, put your phone number in the pin pad, and all the coupons should come off, and it's super easy. So $10.35 plus tax for everything. Alright guys, so that's all the deals I have for today. I'm going to be trying to do more videos. If I don't go to the store and get this stuff, I'm probably just going to do breakdowns, like scenarios, and just show you guys what ounces you need to get and what items you need to get. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel and turn your notifications on and be on the lookout for more videos. Bye. Alright guys, so if you're new at the whole couponing at Dollar General, I mean, if you coupon there before and use paper coupons, but you've never used the Dollar General digital coupons, I'm going to do a quick video if you're new. So all you have to do is go to dollargeneral.com and then go to digital coupons. So what you're going to do is sign in if you have an account, and if you don't, you're just going to press create one. You put your first name, your last name, your zip code, your email, your password, do all that, and then what you're going to do is sign in. The heck? Let me sign into mine, and then I'm going to show you. So the first thing you see when you sign in is all this, and it says DG Digital Coupons. So the first coupon that's up there is the 5 off 25. It's the one I'm telling you guys. And this is valid only for Saturday, and all you have to do is spend $25 and save $5. And you can combine that with other digital coupons like the scenario I did. You can just clip all the coupons, put your phone number in the pin pad, and they'll come off automatically. So to clip the coupons, all you have to do is push the little plus button in the corner, and then to see what coupons you have clipped, you just push the little 2, and it'll tell you which ones you have clipped. Super easy. I think Dollar General digital coupons is super easy to use. There's literally coupons for everything. Like this is the coupon for the Tide Pods. All you have to do is clip that coupon. You save $2 for the Pepsis and Mountain Dews. There's Charmin. This is for the Powerades. This is for Gatorade if you don't like Powerade. Y'all can come up with your own scenario. It's super easy. All you have to do is see what coupons they have on here and get the items you need. And you can come up with your own scenario and save that money. So yeah, I just wanted to do this quick video, show you guys in case you were new to couponing. And it's super easy to use. And all you have to do is with the phone number you use to create the account, you're going to go to the register, put your items up there. While the dude or the little girl is scanning your items, on the pin pad, you're going to see DG digital coupons. It's going to look like, let me see. It's going to look like this. So you're going to press it, kind of. I think it looks like that, kind of. Press it, and then it's going to say to enter your phone number. You're going to enter the phone number you used to create the account, and then all the digital coupons come off. So it's super easy to use, super simple. So yeah, so that is a quick explanation of how to use that. So I wanted to show you guys this app. If you don't know about this app, it's called the Flip app. You just go on there and you can literally see any ad that you want from any store. This is the one for Dollar General this week. These are the sales going on. As you see, they have a lot of BOGO items going on. So I'm just going to be showing you guys deals going on the ad. And any of these you can use on your 5 off 25 on Saturday. Just come up with a scenario yourself, depending on the items you need. So yeah, super easy. And I'm just showing you guys the ad. But if you guys never heard about this app, it's called the Flip app. Download it, and all you're going to do is going to enter your zip code. And then once you enter the zip code, it literally shows the ads for any place like Dollar General, Family Dollar, Walmart, Publix, any store near you. And it tells you the deals going on that week. And it's super useful and helpful. So yeah, download this app.